One girl nobody no look for. It's when they say she ugly, she more beautiful to me. You understand what I mean? I just want a big belly, fat white woman, every friend girl no give me none. No want in me now. A bang belly me want. Search for that lady for me. She's out there. I know you personally listen to.
What the description you say I look for?
A big fat belly white lady with bang belly. I want her need to be knocked. Not very beautiful but doing me good. Ugly is my type. So whatever people don't like. I like the things that people don't like. You see, no matter what the stiff breast people they worry about. I comfort me look. My breast will hold me. That's all. Me and him come at it. Up to me that come. Let's drink 2 rum still. If anybody know that lady I wear about this, just contact comedy. Please, I can't give you a reward right now, but I'm not going to take things, put it on the air. Sometimes people do make some issue and you said people track it a lot of your so, hi sweetheart, if it's you I'm looking for, I wanted to sing a little song for you. Can't help smiling, girls, when I look at you. I might be going crazy, my baby, is all I can do. I'm so defenseless, my girl, when not you so close. But the water's damper, my baby, is from my body and soul. I want a girl to know, write your name across my heart, yeah, yeah. I want the world to know that I'm yours forever. Now I'm with it, baby, like the shining star. Whoa, girl, write your name across my heart. Baby, girl, write your name.
Yeah! Watch out now, you can't do study me. Can you see me? No man can body me. Me I tell you say me no frisbee, me no funny, so no man can funny me. Watch out now, money man me father name, but no man can money me. Not two bees man live down there, so no man can honey me. Me no want kill your son and who send him come? Who send him come? Me no want murder him, but me no want kill him. Me don't want kill him. And the whole version.